Hey there, friends! Quick question. Do you ever wonder why some people rarely get sick while others seem to catch every single bug floating around? Well, spoiler alert. It's not just luck. The secret might actually be sitting right on their plate.
Today, we're talking about 10 superfoods that can help boost your immune system and keep you feeling your absolute best.
And don't worry, I won't bore you with complicated science. We'll keep it fun, simple, and super practical, with some easy, delicious ways to add these foods to your diet.
Oh, and stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a quick immune-boosting smoothie recipe that tastes amazing. Sound good? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Superfoods that boost immunity.
1. Sweet potatoes. First up, let's talk about sweet potatoes. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, super important for healthy skin. And guess what? Your skin is your first line of defense against germs.
Quick tip, try roasting them with a little cinnamon and olive oil for a super tasty, nutrient-packed side dish.
2. Spinach. Alright, I know spinach has a bad reputation, but hear me out. This leafy green is loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and antioxidants, all of which help strengthen your immune system. And get this, lightly cooking spinach actually makes it healthier because it helps your body absorb more nutrients. Crazy, right?
How to eat it. Sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a quick, delicious side dish.
3. Broccoli. If there's one veggie you should be eating more of, it's broccoli. It's basically a nutritional goldmine packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which all help your body fight off infections.
Easy broccoli recipe. Roast it with olive oil, garlic, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Trust me, even picky eaters will love it.
4. Bell peppers. Did you know that bell peppers have even more vitamin C than oranges? Crazy, right? This makes them an amazing immune booster. Quick snack idea, slice them up and dip them in hummus for a crunchy, vitamin-packed snack.
5. Garlic. Garlic isn't just great for keeping vampires away, it's actually an immune-boosting superstar. The secret? Allicin, a natural compound that helps fight infections.
Pro tip. For maximum benefits, chop or crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This helps release its powerful compounds.
6. Turmeric. Turmeric is that bright yellow spice that makes curry so colorful. But did you know it's also a natural anti-inflammatory? It contains curcumin, which helps your immune system stay strong.
DIY turmeric. Tea, also known as golden milk. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, which helps absorption. 1 tablespoon honey and warm milk or hot water. It's like a cozy hug for your immune system.
7. Ginger. Ginger isn't just great for nausea. It's also packed with antioxidants and helps reduce inflammation. Plus, it can help you recover faster if you do get sick.
How to use it. Add fresh ginger to tea or smoothies for a little immune-boosting magic.
8. Yogurt. Did you know that 70% of your immune system actually lives in your gut? That's why probiotics in yogurt are so important. They help keep your gut healthy, which keeps you healthy.
Fun yogurt parfait, layer Greek yogurt, honey, and berries for a gut-friendly, super delicious snack.
9. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Let's dive into the classic immune booster, citrus fruits. These are packed with vitamin C, which helps your body generate more white blood cells. The protectors of your immune system.
DIY immune-boosting smoothie. Blend 1 orange, half a grapefruit, 1 banana, and a handful of spinach with Greek yogurt for a tasty vitamin C boost.
10. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Who doesn't love berries? Not only are they sweet and delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants. Think of them like tiny superheroes fighting off damage in your body.
Quick tip, add them to oatmeal or yogurt for a double immunity boost.
Chapter 2. Next, video-Probiotics and gut health. And there you have it, 10 powerhouse superfoods to help keep your immune system strong and ready to fight. Which one is your favorite? Or do you have a go-to immune-boosting recipe? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.
And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy health tips. Hit that bell so you never miss our next video, probiotics and gut health.
Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, friends.